I'm here eating at a place I've been wanting to eat at for a long time called the Taste of Italy. A little bit of a hidden place. It's in Gatlinburg, but not on the main strip. So we will show you around, and I'll show you where it's located and stuff like that. If you're wondering, that is called Parkway, but not the main Parkway you think of. But it is here. There's a food city over there, and it is in this little shopping center here. So if you're see the sign and stuff like that, but yeah, that's where it's located. Here we are. I'm finally getting to eat here. I've been trying to eat here for a while. It is the Taste of Italy. You see the menu. It's like there's the menu, but it's a kind of a sort of a hidden place. Not a whole lot of people know about. 4.5 stars on TripAdvisor. So, and this is the rolls. Everybody's favorite rolls. So, all right, well check it out. All right, I just ordered. I got the chicken parm. They were out of pizza, and boy, they went out. Well, like the pizza from broke, so couldn't do that. I'll probably gonna get the chicken parm anyway. As we showed, here's the bread. They got good. Got the marinara sauce. So, the rolls definitely feel soft. Excellent. Rolls are excellent. Extremely soft. Marinara sauce is, you know, pretty thin, which is why I like it. Not a whole lot of, but yeah, excellent rolls. Right so far. The food came out very fast, which is good because I'm in a little bit of a hurry because I want to try to get to the ice cream place. But yeah, food came in a hurry and quickly. Very friendly waitress. And this got a spoon. I don't know if I'm. Oh, here. All right, the food is here. This is the chicken parm, which certainly looks good. So yeah, this is it. That's what it looks like. Came out very quick, very friendly. We'll have to fix that in editing. I got a spoon. Not sure why I got a spoon, but we'll figure that out. First, great. We excellent. Let's try one more bite. More. I doubt anybody wants to watch me eat, but you see it's hot. The thumbs up. Good stuff. All right, going to give my final review. Um, Excellent. 9 out of 10. Thought it was wonderful. Mine ended up being $25 before tips, so about $30. But it was a lot of food. You got to split it with two people, so a lot of food. If you're like me, you might be thinking, oh, Italian and pigeon porridge are not really what you're thinking of. But talk to the waiter or the waitress, and she said it was the owner's 100% Italian. It's their grandmother's recipe and stuff like that. So it is real Italian food. But yeah, excellent food. 9 out of 10. I would say another good thing about this is if you're here at a busy time and you don't want to wait, may not be a wait there because of where it's located. So yeah, definitely check it out. Good stuff, and everybody needs to come in there.